right, so activity two, very similar to activity one. All right, writing an inequality. Inequality. Work with a partner. One of your favorite stores is having a 75% off sale. You have $20. You want to buy a pair of jeans. Which of the following represents your ability to buy the jeans with $20? What does X represent? Explain your reasoning. All right, so if you look at the answers, you actually notice that they're all 1/4, all right, but it says 75%. So the reason being is 75%, if you remember fractions, uh, 75% equals 75 hundredths, which equals 1/4. And that's where that 1/4 is coming from. So we'll look at conversion there before we begin. All right. So which of the following represents your ability to buy the jeans with $20? What does X represent? Explain your reasoning. And so once again, very similar to the last one. All right. I only have $20 to spend. So whatever the pair of jeans is going to be, it's got to be less than $20. So, but it can be $20. Not if we just assume that that's including tax. I guess in the real world, tax would probably be, you would probably have to, $20 wouldn't be enough, but it's just assume there's no tax. So, so whatever the amount of money you buy in the jeans is gonna be less than $20. And so the only possible answer is right here. 1/4 times X is less than or equal to $20. So whatever the jeans are, they have to be less than $20. Okay, and so that's what that's the correct equation. Now, what does this mean? Okay, so 1/4. So the sale, 1/4 is the sale price. So sell price or sell, how do we say it? Percent off. Let's just erase it and write percent off. So percent off times the jeans has got to be less than or equal to $20. Right? So 1/4, they just converted it to a fraction. So 75% would be 1/4. X, we use that for the jeans, is less than or equal to 20. All right, graph the possible values for the graph the possible values of X on a number line. Explain how you decided what to graph. All right, so let me go back a step. Let me clarify something. So the 1/4 off, it's actually, if it's 75% off, that means you're only paying 1/4 of the original price, and that's why it's 1/4 and not 3/4, because it's 75% off. So it's so you know 4/4 minus 3/4, you're paying 1/4. All right, so graph the possible values of X on another line. Explain how you decided what to graph. There's many different possible values depending on the price of the jeans. 1/4 times X is less than 20. So the most that the jeans can be would be $80. Because 1/4, and the reason why $80 is the max is because if it's $20, 1/4 of 80 is 20, so it can't be more than $80. So for example, if there's $100 and it was you're buying 1/4 of the original price, it's still gonna be $25, which is over that $20 amount. So 80 is the max, and it can be any value. There's so many different values it can be on the number line. Your answers may vary. It could be, I'm gonna go with 50, 22, 5. I mean, I guess 15. That's kind of low for jeans, I guess. 10. I don't know. 9, 8. So it can be any value as long as 80. It just can't be. They can't be more than 80. All right. So C. Can you afford a pair of jeans that originally cost $100? Explain your reasoning. And the answer is no, because $80 is the max. 1/4 of 100. 1/4 times 100 equals 25. Like I kind of said, how I kind of said earlier. So that is actually too much. So show what I mean by 1/4 of 80. 1/4 times 80 is $20. So anything above $80 is not going to be good. You don't have enough money. All right. So go ahead and stop the video and resume to activity 3.